Today, I'm going to take a Pokemon card, and I'm going to set it off with a rocket. Okay, guys, so, yeah, like I just said, I'm going to be taking a rocket. Nice rocket, Atlantic lift off, bros. Lit. This thing is awesome. Yeah, I'm just gonna be taping a Pokemon card to this and setting it off into the sky. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, so we first had to pick out a Pokemon card, and I have a whole heck of a lot of Pokemon cards. Here, I have this whole entire binder filled with them. I was really into Pokemon quite a while ago, but I've picked out basically what card or what Pokemon do you think of when you think of Pokemon? You most likely think of like a Pikachu or a Squirtle or some basic card. So I think we're definitely going to be setting off this Pikachu. We might also set off a Squirtle. I'm not exactly sure, but I know we're going to be setting off that Pikachu. Just realizing how amazing this is going to be. Okay, guys, I just found a Magikarp. I'm going to set off my worst one because I don't want it, because, I mean, could be valuable someday. So we're going to be setting off a Magikarp and a, where did I put that Pikachu? Oh, Magikarp and a Pikachu. Boom, off of this thing. So, tape them on and set it off. Let's do this. So, I just want to shout out my friend Bo. He was in my last movie, and he is the one who has these fireworks. He has a whole bunch of them. So, yeah. So, Pikachu and Magikarp. I have a thing of tape somewhere. I just had it. And I just had to find it. Tape? Where are you? Tape? Hello? Tape? 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 Mr. Tape, is that you? No, it's not him. Me trying to be cool. It's like, oh yeah, hey guys, welcome to. Oh hey guys. La-di-da-di-dum. Okay, Mr. Tape. Where the heck did I go? Alright, I'll be right back. Tape? The tape has returned! What's wrong with me? Alright, so this thing is like, keeps falling off really easily, so I'm kind of hoping that we don't need it, because the other one that he had was doing that too, so. Alright, here we go. I still can't believe that we're doing this. Straight across it. Alright. There we go. That thing's pretty. Oh, that was not really what I was meaning to do, but it's gonna have to work. Why is this so hard? Alright, this Pikachu is basically rigged on here. Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure we got it pretty good. I mean, we're just blasting it off and then it doesn't matter. As you can see here, here's our Magikarp taped on. And then the Pikachu is on here too. So yeah, this thing's just... This is going to be really fun. Oh yeah, so this is the camera that I'm going to get, by the way. So I can video anytime I want. Finally! Woo! Okay guys, so right now we have the rocket and stuff. That is Bo. He's the guy who has these rockets.
He taped up 2 Pokemon cards on it. Magikarp and
Pikachu. So yeah, we're just arriving at the park. Looks like we're gonna have to park right in front of the thing because it is blocked off. So we might have to go down the road a little bit or something.
yeah.
But the park is right here. Here, let me switch. The area where we're gonna shoot up the rocket. So there's some random guy walking there. And a biker.
If you're not familiar with me, I was playing the bad guy, Alex Jacobs in Ben's second movie.
Okay, so change of plans looks like. Now we're setting it off in Huntington Woods Early Childhood Center. We're setting a rocket off.
That used to be my preschool.
Same, I went there here too.
This used to be my preschool.
Oh my gosh. We're just gonna be doing it, I guess, right here. Alright guys.
Time for the ultimate.
Focus. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, I gotta get it quick. Slide down the slide. That was completely and totally worth it. Alright. Dad, you setting it off?
Yes.
Alright. Say goodbye to our little buddies. R.I.P. to Magikarp and our best friend, Pikachu. The only Pokemon that you think of when you think of Pokemon.
It's time for the
There's
moment
our
of
rocket.
truth. Oh no! Get away!
Pieces all over the place. We'll see. Can we find anything? Is there any remains?
We need to find any remains.
Here is a remain of part of the thing. Is any?
I found a remain of Magikarp.
There's pieces of our Magikarp.
Hey, pick that stuff up and let's do it.
Boom. Tackle, and that is the rest.
Pick the pieces up and let's go.
This is crazy. Alright. Here, you grab that. Where's the tip? Oh. Alright, that was crazy. Okay guys, so yeah. This is the remains of the cards. I did see something go on the roof, so parts of the cards might be on the roof right now.
Yeah.
Not exactly sure. This is crazy.
Oh my.
That was awesome.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. All right, back to the meeting area. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. All right. Here we go. All right, guys. That was... Lord have mercy. That was amazing.
I know, right?
What if I had a few more of your fireworks that just didn't like go like one of them snake ones and just lit a card on fire?
Oh my goodness. I know a good one. You should get one of our troopers and tape one to it and then grrr, it would be just dope. It would be the death of
No, do you think we can get one of them snakes? Alright, Charmander is our next victim. Charmander, probably one of the worst cards, and I already have a duplicate sitting literally right there, so that's okay.
Yeah, it's in here, I think.
No, it's actually over in that cupboard. But
he is our next victim.
should we get one of the, you know, them snake things?
Oh yeah,
that you have?
yeah. We should
Put that down and then light it.
Oh yeah. And then
Or we could literally just light a card on fire, like just.
I've seen
just
that
completely
happen.
lights.
I've seen that happen.
Pokemon destruction, alright?
Yeah, Pocket Monster's dead.
Alrighty, so now we are back heading over to my friend's house. He already has a head start. I'm hopping on my bike because I had to use the bathroom. I'm riding over to his house right now. We're about to get, I think what they're like called like snake things. He just set them on fire and they're quite odd. But I have one of the cards in my pocket, and so yeah, I'm headed over there right now. Alright.
Okay, we are here at my house. We are going to destroy Charmander.
Black snake, as you see here. This dude's lit, by the way. Look at all these toys.
I know, right?
And a quad. Anyways, though, here is the black snake.
We are going to kill Charmander. Wait, that thing even on?
You got so many troopers.
I know. We can use one to destroy let me get a Pokemon that I can use.
Do you think you could set him off? He has like a whole bunch of these things. Including, what is this? Mr. Tractor and Bigfoot Sky Bacon. What is this? It moves forward with whistle and emits red and green colored sparks. Holy crap! What is Mr. Tractor? Wait, what does this one even look like? Oh, literally looks like one. That's crazy. And here's two tractors here. Mighty Turbo. Guys, this is crazy. What the heck is this? What is this? Super Flyers. Spins upwards. What? What is this? Wait, hold on. 36 assorted shells. What the frick? Look at how many there are. Dude, this kid is crazy. Wow.
So light it up! This
What?
is my weakest Pokemon ever.
What is it? What is it?
Shellos. Dude, it just says Rain Splash 10.
Alright, well, that's pretty good. Okay, guys, so we got this airborne trooper that shoots out a guy and then he just parachutes down.
Got the black snake.
We got a black snake is what these things are called. You light these and
We are gonna destroy
not
this,
exactly sure what they
and
do. They
turn into like snakes. It like slowly turns into a snake. But we have Shellos and Charmander, and they are gonna die because they are so weak. This is for
Alright, I'm not even sure.
This is for you, Pokemon, for making so many weak cards.
So yeah, I think we're either gonna set this one on fire to this, and then this one to this.
Yeah.
Here's how it's gonna go, but not exactly sure. First, we gotta go get a lighter and crap. All right, so
Oh, and also we go to Ben's maple shop where he sells maple syrup.
that's true. We do make maple syrup straight in our backyard. We don't even need a lighter, bro.
Yeah.
We just use that crap. I just got the snake stuck in here. Would you just come up? Thank you. All right, here we go. Here's our snake.
Actually.
Whichever one we pull out first. All right, here we go.
Wait. I
What?
need to show you something.
No, you're not supposed to unravel.
No, yes, you are. My dad showed me it too. But you need to.
You're supposed to light these, and then it just does it.
Okay.
All right, so here we go, guys.
Okay, let's do it. It's gonna be scary,
Can you?
but we need to
What,
do
does
it.
this not work? Can you hold this?
I think
Yeah,
I know
can
how
you-
it
can you
works.
hold that?
I know how it works. Dude, look at that. There. Wait. Quiet. Dude, I'm telling you, you need to take the wrapper off. You need to take the
I don't think
wrapper
you do.
off.
I don't think you do, but we'll see. Can you do that?
Watch. You need to take the wrapper off. Oh, I guess you don't.
Gotta let it really light.
Light it up.
Come on, you stinking nincompoop.
Told you need to take off the wrapper. I told you need to take off.
Try and do it again.
Take off the wrapper. See, told you. The little pellets. Now light them up. Die, Magikarp.
That's a Charmander, not a Magikarp.
I mean, die, Charmander.
Well, this doesn't seem to be working very well.
Doesn't seem to.
If we need to, we can just light the card on fire.
That'd be awesome.
It's getting pretty hot.
Alright.
And the harder way is destroying the card. Oh, matches. Gosh, matches, really.
I think you should just light the card.
Light it up.
It's too windy out here, bro.
Let's do this one.
Not that leaf. Alright guys, so we're about to do it in my garage because it was way too windy out there. And I also got a new lighter. So I won't burn my hand off like I just did like 7 times there. Yeah, hold on. Alright guys, let's do this. Oh, okay.
No, do it right here.
Right here?
Death of Charmander, Pikachu, Shellos.
Yeah, I got this way easier. Screw this.
Let's do this.
Just set the card on fire.
Yeah. Set the card on fire. I feel bad, kinda. I kind of feel bad, but
Sorry, I'm really bad at video.
it's not even doing anything. Oh, yes. I need to keep it there.
Epic fail. Oh, hold on. Hold on.
It's turning into a snake. Oh,
For about 10 seconds.
come on. Here lies, I don't know.
Trying to get this out.
Yes!
That's sweet.
Light it up!
It's forming a ginormous freaking snake.
No, that's what it's supposed to do.
Now it's forming them all together.
Burn!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my word!
It looks like the Pokemon card is giving birth to a ginormous long snake.
I know. It looks like a turd from here.
That's crazy.
Oh my word! This shall be the death place of Charmander. Die!
You can just see Charmander's face just in there.
No. Oh, kind of looks
And
like
there's
a giant.
still more.
Oh my goodness!
What is this? This is crazy.
It looks like a giant. It looks like giant
And now
tentacles coming
your
out
desk
of.
is on fire.
It kind of looks like giant tentacles coming out of a Pokemon card.
Okay, well, all that stuff off now.
Oh my goodness!
What
Get all that
What?
stuff out of here. Do not leave it in here. I want it all out.
Alright, you don't touch it because then it'll just fall apart even more. Alright, let's just clean it up a second. Alright guys, now I think what we're going to do is we're just going to light this thing on fire.
Yeah. What? I thought we were gonna do the airborne trooper with it.
No.
Kill it. Let's kill him. I mean, kill him and her. You know what? You know what? Where's the lighter? Where's the other lighter? Yes. Light it up. You know what? Do it on their faces.
I can't.
Why not?
It'll burn me.
Kill it until it is ashes. What the heck?
Burnt. And that's all. This is not okay.
Die.
That's gonna be it today. I hope you guys really liked this video. That was really fun. And also, before we end this video, shout out to Bo for giving us all those fireworks. And my friend just pulled up on a flippin' moped.
I think mine's better than yours. Damn!
Maybe.
Wow!
What?
You just
So, yeah, that was kind of odd. My friend just pulled up on a moped.
That was funny.
He lives down the street. Yeah, but we were gonna talk about this, and then all of a sudden a moped, which is way better than this, pulled up. So nobody cares about that garbage. I'm just kidding, okay? Just kidding. That's a really cool thing. Yeah,
Yeah, it's mine. Yeah.
goes fast. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to believe in the dab.
Bye.